In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the dislikes on a YouTube video. So, if you want to see how many dislikes a video has, the first thing you need to do is open the YouTube app. Then, find the video you want to check. I'm going to use this one as an example. Next, tap the share icon right next to the remix option and choose Copy Link. Once you've copied the link, close the YouTube app and open any internet browser. In the search bar, type dislike YouTube online and hit enter. After that, scroll down until you find the website timeskip.io and tap on it. Now, scroll to the section where it asks for a YouTube URL. Paste the link you copied earlier and tap Check Dislikes. As you can see, it will show you the estimated number of dislikes on the video. Just keep in mind that this number may not be 100% accurate, but it gives you a general idea of the likes and dislikes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.